Hello and welcome. Today we are going to discuss use of articles before noun in every sentence. So, how to identify the appropriate article to be used in a sentence before a noun. After watching this video, you will be able to do so and all of your doubts will vanish. So, just stay with me till the end of this video. So let's get started. We can divide the use of articles in two parts. In first part we will discuss about the noun, when the identity of the noun will be known to the speaker. So just imagine a situation: you are walking on a road and a cow is there that is injured. So you will say the cow is injured because you are talking about a cow which is in front of you. Here the identity of the cow is known to you. You are not talking about all the cows which are found on our earth. You are talking about a particular cow which is injured at that time in front of you. So whenever the identity of the noun will be known to the speaker, we always use the before that noun. Like the dog is barking, the bus is going to the city, because you are talking about the bus which is there in front of you. The identity of the bus is known to you. So whether you are talking about a countable noun or an uncountable noun, it doesn't matter. Whenever the identity of the noun is known to the speaker, we always use the before that noun. Like the water is hot, when you are talking about the water which is present in a glass in your hand. The air is cold, when you are talking about the air which is present in your room or in your building. You are not talking about all the air which is available on our earth. You are talking about the air which is present in a particular area. So here the identity of the air is known to the speaker. So whenever the identity of the noun is known to the speaker, we always use the before that noun without any exception. So now come to the second part, when the identity of the noun is not known to the speaker. Like when we say any general statement like air is a mixture of different gases. Here you are not talking about air which is available in your room or in a particular area. We are talking about air which is available on our earth. We are not talking about the air of a particular area. So here the identity of the air is not known. It is valid for air throughout the earth. It's an universal statement which is true each and every time. Air is a mixture of different gases. So in case of uncountable nouns, when we talk in general statements, when the identity of the uncountable noun is not known, then we don't use any article before that noun. Like water is a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So whenever we talk about any general statement, we do not use any article before uncountable noun, before the uncountable noun. So just like that, we can say water is available in abundance on our earth. We are talking about all the water which is available on our earth. We are not talking about water in a particular glass or in a particular pond. So here the identity is not known to the speaker. And in case of countable nouns, like he is eating a mango and he is eating an apple. So whenever the identity of the noun, uncountable noun is not known to the speaker, when we talk about countable nouns and the identity of that countable noun is not known to the speaker, we use a if the noun starts with a consonant, and we use an if the noun starts with a vowel. Like he is eating a mango, there is an elephant. Whenever we talk about any countable noun in general statements, when the identity is not known to the speaker, we always use a if noun start with a consonant and an if that noun start with a vowel. And when we talk about any noun which identity is known to the speaker, like I am eating the mango which I bought yesterday from the market. Here you are revealing the identity of that mango. You are talking about a particular mango which you bought yesterday from the market. So we will use the before that noun. I am eating the mango which I bought yesterday from the market. But when you are just saying a general statement, I am eating a mango, then the identity of that mango is not known. Whether that mango was on a table, whether that mango you have bought from a market, the identity is not known to the speaker. So in these cases, we use a and an depending upon the situation. So now it must be clear to all of you when we use a, when we use an, and the. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.